Fy hoff beth o fod yn rhan o hwn ydy sut da ni'n cael ein trin fel fod ni'n proffesiynol. Da ni ddim yn cael ein trin fel plant. Maen nhw'n gweithio ni'n really galed a mae hwnna'n really dda.
The thing I love most about National Youth Dance Wales is the fact that it is the only platform in Wales that bridges the gap between your local dance school and the professional world.
What I love most about being part of National Youth Dance Wales is that they really aim to give you an experience of the whole part of what's important in dance and training, and giving you, as a dancer, all of the tools you need to continue with whatever path you want to go down in the dance world.
One of my favourite things about being part of National Youth Dance is the chance that we get to work with other people that I usually don't see in my other groups. So there's some people here from North Wales, so it's nice to see new faces and to work with them.
The highlight of the residency has been working with all the professional dancers in class, the creative works, and just spending the day with them.
Just over those 2 days of teaching class, it's just a pleasure to see how things are changing, how they kind of getting into the material, making it their own and finding new pathways. It's very exciting to see just even in the space of 2 days with them. I think they're brilliant.
My top tip for getting the most out of your residency is to come in open to learning new information and transforming yourself through that new information so that you can come in and grow from there, rather than coming in and maybe having an expectation of praise of where you currently are. More nourishing is to be open, learn something new, fly with it, go for it.
My top tip for getting the most out of the residency is throw yourself into every opportunity in the class, the creative tasks, or even the social activities after class.
Make sure you're prepared for the day, make sure you're eating well, warming up before class, getting enough sleep as well is really important because you're doing really long days. So it's important to have the energy to be able to last throughout the whole day and to keep your attention span for all the sessions.
Top tip os da chi eisiau cael y mwyaf allan o'r cwrs hwn, so ni'n deud pam da chi'n cael yma, os da chi jyst yn agored ac yn hapus efo pawb yn agored hefo chi, a da chi'n cael ffrindiau rili da, a wedyn da chi'n teimlo'n lot mwy relaxed a fydd pawb yn iawn.
Take as much from the experience as you can.